been getting a lot of questions. What's the difference between my self-publishing blueprint and your new Blueprint Publishing Academy? And I want to take some time to address all of those questions in this video here. But here's the main difference. I came out with my self-publishing blueprint about 2 years ago, and I came out with it as a lower end product because publishing, making that first $1,000 for me completely changed my life. As small as $1,000 is, having that $1,000, that first $1,000 of passive income starting to come in every single month, completely changed our lives. And it was from there I was able to grow my business and end up leaving my job and everything. So I wanted to come out with the absolute best way for people to get started making their first $1,000 online. So I came out with my self-publishing blueprint, and that's what that course is designed to do. Now, can you make more than $1,000 there? You can. People have proved it. We have enough success stories to go around, but that core product is designed to make your first 1,000. So if you're looking at building a business, you want to completely leave your job, build a six-figure business, a publishing business, then you want to get the Academy. The Academy is basically, it's for serious folks. I'm not saying people who grab the blueprint, my self-publishing blueprint are not serious. I'm just saying these are the people who are really ready to level up their life. Main differentiating factor is basically cost. The Publishing Academy right now is $1,000. If you only have $1,200 to get started to invest in your publishing business, the Academy is not for you. Do not sign up for the Academy because you're not going to be able to go anywhere. Because $1,000 to get started, you're going to need another few $100,000, $2,000 to start getting books written, start investing in books in order to get going right away. So if you only have $1,200, you spend $400 on the blueprint, on my self-publishing blueprint, and then you invest the rest of the money you have in books, and you kind of, you figure it out and you follow the lessons and you get it done that way. But those of you who have a little extra income coming in, right? You're able to spend $1,000 for the Academy, and hey, I got another $1,000. I can invest in books right away to get things rocking and rolling because I really want to scale the business up quick and take this seriously. Then you get the Academy. So those are really the two differentiating factors. Or really the main one, I guess, is you have excess money. The $1,000 is not going to break the bank. You're going to have extra money to start investing. And I've been telling students, have extra money to get going for 2 or 3 books. Each book is going to cost you anywhere from $500 to $700. Have that extra money laying around, so as soon as we start the calls on Thursday, you are ready to rock and roll and get going right away. Whereas if you're just, you're scraping by, you're just kind of, getting going, then my self-publishing blueprint, absolutely phenomenal program to get you going and, to help you make your first $1,000 online. So I just want to take some time, clear up any, confusion there. Like I said, I think it's like 5 p.m. right now or so. If I do the sun. Yeah, it's probably about 4:48 right now, based on my freaking, But bottom line is 11:59, doors close. You won't be able to get the Academy again. Definitely not for $1,000, and that's $1,000 for everybody right now. Whether or not you already got my self-publishing blueprint, because you're getting my self-publishing blueprint and you get the accelerator when you sign up and you grab the Academy, right now. So hit the link up. Hit me up if you got questions. If you want, hell, if you need like quick call or something, you want to like talk to me, I'm available tonight. Okay, just hit me up, Mecca at myselfpublishingblueprint.com. Hit me up. You're like, hey, I want to talk to you. Got a couple quick questions. Yeah, I'll jump on the phone with you really quick. We can chat. Because you know what? If you're that serious that you need to chat with me to kind of, you want to talk, I'll do it. Let's do it. So I'm excited. I cannot freaking wait for Thursday for the first call with everybody. You know, we've almost filled up here, and we got a couple more spots. We're letting people in. I'm capping it at 10 just because I want to work with this small intimate group right now. But we got a couple more spots available, so sign up quickly. I will see you all in class on Thursday, the very first session of the Blueprint Publishing Academy. I cannot wait.